Hello YouTubers, let's try this again. I wasn't recording. This is the trail to the train disaster in Ashtabula County. If you can see, this is a boardwalk to it. I come from up there, from the road, and if you look, there's like swampland here. And if you go this way, you'll go back to the train disaster, which is flooded out right now. So you really can't go back there right now. But I can show you the beauty of the place before we walk back there, and that'll be in part 2's video as soon as it dries out around here. But this is the boardwalk. This is what it looks like. It's going to be an adventure on part 2. Right now we can't go too much further because it's flooded. What the beautiful thing about this is it's all trees. Trees and beauty. As far as you can see. That will be part 2 when I go that way. Focus. My focus on this is really bad because it's so hot out. It doesn't want to work right today. So I'm going to just take my time and show y'all. Everything will be alright. It's beautiful. Can't wait until I can get back there. I was really looking forward to it tonight. But I guess I gotta wait now. Alright, y'all. YouTubers out there in YouTube land. I'll let you go. Talk to you in the second half of YouTube.